The prorogation itself is unlawful.
Scotland's highest court of appeal ruling that British Prime Minister Boris Johnson's decision to suspend Parliament for 5 weeks is unlawful. Parliament was prorogued or suspended in the very early hours of Tuesday morning until October 14th. When MPs return, they'll have about 2 weeks left before Brexit is set to happen on October 31st. Opponents say Johnson's push for suspension was aimed at silencing debate over his plans for the UK to leave the European Union without a divorce deal. A panel of 3 judges ruling in favor of a group of politicians challenging the PM, finding that Johnson was motivated by the improper purpose of stymieing Parliament. Johnson has said he wanted the suspension so the government could launch a new legislative agenda.
These are interesting times when courts rule in favour of democracy against a Prime Minister who wants to shut down our democracy.
Calling it a landmark ruling, opposition Labour Party leader Jeremy Corbyn says he would press for lawmakers to return to work as soon as possible. And the leader of the Scottish National Party is urging Johnson to recall Parliament.
And I would call on the Prime Minister to do the right thing, bring Parliament back from its unlawful prorogation and allow that essential work of scrutiny to continue.
Not likely to happen just yet, though. The British Prime Minister's office says the government would appeal the decision at the Supreme Court, the highest judicial body in the UK, and that is expected to happen in London next week.